Hello everyone, welcome you all, and today we will discuss about FIPNEX exchange. FIPNEX is a basic centralized crypto exchange from where you can buy and sell your cryptos. So to access all the features, first you have to log in on FIPNEX exchange. If you are already registered, enter your email and password here. After clicking on sign in, you are logged in on FIPNEX exchange. Now here you can check different options, like on market tab. What you will get is the basic details of different coins. Like you can check price change, 24-hour high and low of different coins. You can search your favorite coin from here. Now if you want to know more details about it, you can directly click on trade button here. It will automatically take you to the next page of trade. Here your chart will get displayed. Now if you want to trade, you can enter your order here, and after doing transaction, your open orders will get displayed here. You can check your order history and trade history from here as well. Here also you can select and search different points and analyze their charts. Now moving ahead, click on wallet tab. Here if you have done any transaction, so your total portfolio value will get displayed here. You can check your fund details here. Options of checking deposit history, withdrawal history, trade history is available. You can also download your trade history from here. Now if we go on the referral program, so right now FIPNEX is conducting a referral program for its users. So for this, you have to copy this link from here and you can send it to your friends and family. Once they sign up with your link, you will get rewarded. Now if you have referred anyone, then you can check your all referral transactions on referral list tab. So all your transactions will get listed here. Now moving ahead, if you want to check basic details of your account, what you can do is you can go to my account. On my profile tab, you can update your basic details. From here, you can enable two-factor authentication as well. For example, you can select here email OTP. So once you log in, every time you will get an OTP. You can set your currency preference. From here, you can click on Euro and save currency preference. It will get saved. You can add your bank account. When you click on add new, it will ask for your details. Once you enter and click on add bank, your bank details will get updated here. You can change your password from the security tab. Now for the KYC verification, you have to enter all your personal information here. All the information should be correct and as per your identification documents. Now here you can select your valid documents and upload. You have to upload your tax identification documents, and after uploading selfie, when you click on submit for verification, so it will send your details for verification, and once it will get verified, you will get an email regarding that. So this is how FIPNEX exchange look like, and these are the different features. If you want to know more about it, do let us know. Till then, stay tuned.